We're in Scottsdale, Arizona for our international annual conference with about 400 people from all over the world coming to learn more about what we do.
The event's been great. For me personally, with doing all the video stuff, their stage and their setup and just the overall way they made the room look really was a perfect frame for my stuff to go almost like hand in hand, and it just made everything in general seem bigger and better.
So this year we started with our main ballroom sessions, and then we've had to switch into 4 breakout rooms with quite a few moving pieces. We've also had some 4K equipment, so we are happy to have AV guys that have been able to facilitate all those changes.
We got to do some really cool, unique work to kind of like elevate this kind of to the next level. So incorporating things like scenic, figuring out new technologies like digital mixing boards to allow us to turn the general session from one gigantic room into 4 separate rooms. So far, everyone seems really happy. Everyone says everything's going really smooth. And I think the biggest thing is that people are really excited about the way it looks and the way we have brought a professional touch to the event and made it look really classy, yet bringing energy to the event.
We're on day 2 and we've had some great feedback about our setup. The clients are loving that the breakout rooms have some color. Their branding is extended all the way, not just in their general session, but in these breakout rooms.
We even saw a post on Instagram commenting on how this backdrop with the blue lighting creates a really cool workspace for the people attending this conference.
The interior lighting looks amazing. Definitely a great space to get work done. Just awesome, literally quoted right out of his mouth.
I would definitely recommend Endless Entertainment for all of your AV needs and your corporate events. They've been fantastic.
Yeah, if you really want quality, I think Endless would be a company you'd want to embrace and have serious conversations, because they will work with you at every step of the way to make sure that your vision becomes a reality.